What's up, guys? It's your boy Shirtless Vegan here, and today we're going to be making fried oyster mushrooms. I have some broccoli here, and we're going to be steaming our broccoli, and then I also have some all-white quinoa for our carbs and protein. I mean, your broccoli and mushrooms is going to give the protein as well, but let's get into it.
Discipline desire, whether one can curb it, is a deeper question altogether, which is, what do you desire? What makes you itch? What sort of a situation would you like?
And there you have it, guys. KFC recipe, oyster mushrooms, steamed broccoli, and quinoa. Now, as far as the quinoa goes, I did boil it a little bit longer than usual because I hate the texture for quinoa. So I wanted it to be a little bit more softer. But to each his own. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video. Peace.